Hello friends, welcome back. Now we are going to read Chhattisgarh, and I have downloaded a few maps for you. We will see the maps at the later part. Okay, Chhattisgarh, and then we will do Telangana. And for Telangana also, I have a lot of maps for you. And yes, Chhattisgarh. Uh, yeah, demand for the separate Chhattisgarh state was first raised in early 20s. A demand for the separate Chhattisgarh was raised in 1925 by Raipur Congress Unit. Okay, so Raipur, where is Raipur? Raipur is here. Okay, Raipur Congress Unit, and was also later discussed in the annual session of the Indian Congress at Tripuri. Where is Tripuri? Tripuri is somewhere here in the Tripuri, Jabalpur, Tripuri, no? In the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so an annual conversation which was held in Tripuri, the demand for separate Chhattisgarh was raised there also. And in 1955, demand for separate state was raised in the Nagpur Assembly of the then state of Madhya Pradesh. So Nagpur, see, this is the boundary of Madhya Pradesh. Nagpur somewhere here in Maharashtra. So in the Nagpur Assembly of the then state of the Madhya Bharat in 1955, separate state for the Chhattisgarh demand raised. Okay, when the reorganization commission was set up in 1954, the demand for separate Chhattisgarh was put forward to it, but this demand was rejected on the grounds that prosperity of Chhattisgarh is very mineral-rich state. No, the prosperity of Chhattisgarh would compensate for the poverty of other regions of Madhya Pradesh. So the prosperity of this region will compensate for the poverty of this region. This was the logic behind not accepting the demand for the separate of Chhattisgarh by the State Reorganization Commission in 1934. Then the 80s were relatively a quieter period. Okay, the creation of Chhattisgarh. However, 1990s saw some activity for the creation of new state. This Chandulal Chandrakar formed a political forum known as Chhattisgarh Rajya Nirman Manch. Okay, this forum successfully organized region-wide bunths and rallies, which was supported by major political parties, including the Congress and BJP. The Congress government of Madhya Pradesh took the first institutional and legislative initiative for the creation of Chhattisgarh, and on March 18, 1994, resolution demanding a separate Chhattisgarh was tabled and unanimously approved by the Madhya Pradesh Vidhan Sabha. Okay, in 1994, MP Vidhan Sabha approved the resolution demanding a separate Chhattisgarh. In 1998. Okay, 4 years later, BJP-led union government drafted a bill for the creation of separate state of Chhattisgarh from 16 districts of the Madhya Pradesh. Later, NDA, National Democratic Alliance, government sent the redrafted separate Chhattisgarh bill, and it was approved by Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha as well. Okay. The bill for separate Chhattisgarh was passed in Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, paving way for the creation of separate state of Chhattisgarh. Okay, the Madhya Pradesh Reorganization Act 2000 was passed on August 25, 2000, and on November 1, 2000, state was bifurcated. What was the reason for the reason for the creation of the Chhattisgarh? Okay, the reason for the creation of Chhattisgarh was the Madhya Pradesh was reorganized with the creation of Chhattisgarh, constituting 7 states. Okay, reason. The new state has substantial tribal population, but the Chhattisgarh movement was not driven by, tribal demands, as was the case in the Jharkhand. Yes, Tana Bhagat movement was there, tribal leader, this Jaipal Singh was there, Jaipal Singh. So and Tana Bhagat movement, they spearheaded the demand for the separate state of Jharkhand. But here, the upper caste Brahmin and Kurmi, okay, Kurmi is leading the movement for a separate state. The division here was rooted in the caste distinctiveness. Okay, there was clear acceptance within Chhattisgarh, and outside that, Chhattisgarh has a distinct socio-cultural identity that has evolved over centuries. Rich in mineral wealth and important rice producer, Chhattisgarh has resented. Chhattisgarh was not very happy because of its disproportionate contribution in the revenues and to any return it has received from the state. Okay, finish. Now we will see some map of the Chhattisgarh. So important places. Just I'll see. This is the boundary of Chhattisgarh. This is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, this is Jharkhand. Jharkhand somewhere here. Yeah. This is Odisha. Okay, this is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so this is Dantewada. This is Bastar. This is Kanked. This is Loria. This is Surguja. This is Dishpur. This is Korba, Bilaspur, Janjgir, Kabirdham, Durg. Okay. So this is Raipur capital. Okay. Now see this geographical, this physical. See, you see this hilly area. See, hilly area. This is in black and white. No? See, See, so that's why this Jharkhand was there. No? Jharkhand was also trying the original Jharkhand, which was conceived, by the people who were demanding separate state of Jharkhand. They thought that they will get this area of the MP as well. Huh? At the time, there was no Chhattisgarh, because this is also a tribal hilly areas. Huh? So, but this Chhattisgarh was not demanded by the tribal people here. They are demanded by the Brahmin and the Kurmi. Okay, see the Chhattisgarh in the map of India. See the boundary. Chhattisgarh. This is Maharashtra. This is MP. MP. See MP. This UP boundary is also touching there. UP. And this is Jharkhand. 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 And this is what, Odisha. Okay. And this is Telangana. Telangana. There is no what do you call that, Andhra boundary touching. Only Telangana and Odisha here. Telangana, Odisha. Andhra is like this. Now see, I have the Mahanadi river map. You see where is Chhattisgarh here. I'll just draw. There is Chhattisgarh. Yeah. Chhattisgarh is this one. See. Okay. You see Chhattisgarh again. This Chhattisgarh. This is whole Odisha. This is Jharkhand. Okay. This is your MP. This is your Maharashtra. Okay. This is your Karnataka. Okay. And this is your this is not Karnataka. This is what do you call this? Telangana. Yeah, Telangana. No. Yeah, here Telangana. Okay. And here you have the Andhra Pradesh. So this map is not for this one. This map is for the Mahanadi River basin. See, this is your this Chhattisgarh. See how Mahanadi is going there. See that. Yeah, Mahanadi. So see the Sionath tributary. This Hasdeo. This Mand, Sionath, Hasdeo, Mand, this Ib. Now see the tributary tail, this Ong. This is left hand tributary, Sionath, Hasdeo, Mand, Ib, Sionad, Hasdeo, Mand, Ib, and the right hand tributary is Tail, Ong, Jonk. See, Tail. This is a tributary for the Mahanadi. Mahanadi is going. Mahanadi, see here in trajectory here in trajectory in Chhattisgarh, then entering into the what do you call that, Odisha. Okay, and see here Odisha Garjat hill is there. Okay, and these are Eastern Ghat, not continuous. This is the river here. The mouth of Mahanadi, and this is Chilka Lake. This is Rasukulia. Just remember these things come very frequently. This is Gair Mata Marine Wildlife Sanctuary on the mouth of Mahanadi itself. Okay, Gair Mata on the top. This Chilka and Rasukulia. Okay, next map. What is the next map? See here this I want to show the hill. Here see. So that's what Jharkhand was asking. No, Jharkhand was trying to see they could have got like this. They were asking for this, and see this how the Mahanadi is going there. No, yeah. See, this is Mahanadi. No, yeah, and this is Indravati. See, Indravati here. So Indravati from either Maharashtra, Mahanadi here also Maharashtra, coming from like this. Now see here. Chhattisgarh again. Chhattisgarh. This is Amarkantak. Amarkantak. Mahanadi was something from here, no? Like this. See, yeah. So something like here, no? Mahanadi. So Amarkantak. This is Achanakmar Wildlife Sanctuary. Amarkantak, Achanakmar, and this is Dongragad. This is not important. Okay. This is Indravati National Park. Indravati is near, no? See Dantewada, Jagdalpur, Bijapur. Dantewada, Jagdalpur, Bijapur. So this is Indravati National Park. Okay, so this is all for the This is all for the this Chhattisgarh. Thank you.